Alright guys, as you can see, I'm here in Tampa. I'm at Splitsville. We're going to go inside. They've got this new feather bowling we're going to try. Not quite sure how it works, but we're going to try and go inside and figure it out. We might actually bowl an actual game too. We're going to go inside and do some stuff, go hang out. Let's go make some memories. Alright, so we just wrapped up our time there at Splitsville. We had a lot of fun. We ended up playing the feather bowling, as you saw. It was $12 for the hour. Well worth it. There was 3 of us, so it was $4 an hour. That was great. It was a lot of fun. Those macho nachos that you saw, excellent. Those were awesome. Highly recommended nachos. Some of the best we've ever had, for sure. We also had to play skee ball. We got to play... we didn't play darts, but we also played like the shuffleboard game. Those are free. There's a couple games that are just free. You just have to maybe turn in your driver's license to get what you need. Alright, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you. If not, hit that button down below. Join us on our next journey. And as always, we'll see you soon.